Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube app and moving to the screen where thumbnails are visible, usually home or library. You must be signed in and on the latest app build. This matters because layout options vary by version. Once done, look at the top right of the screen for the profile or three-dot menu. Tap it to reveal display or settings choices and prepare to switch views. This first tap begins the layout change process. You now access the menu that controls display. Tap the three-dot menu or your profile icon because manufacturers and app versions place view controls there. If you see a direct layout or view option, tap it. Otherwise, go into Settings and find Playback and Performance or General where view settings hide. Make your selection between List and Grid, and if available, pick the number of columns. This step is where you control density and thumbnail. You finish by confirming the new layout and checking the screen. Changes usually apply immediately when you back out or tap Save. If you don't see the grid, force close and reopen the app because cached UI can block updates. Make sure to clear cache or storage for the app if restarting fails, and update or reinstall YouTube as a last resort. That often restores missing view options. One troubleshooting tip: toggle account sign out and sign in to refresh personalized features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.